How to create a OneDrive account from your laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can create a OneDrive account from your laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step, open up a web browser and simply search for OneDrive account. Sign up. After you search for that, you should see Microsoft's option. You'll see the website right here, microsoft.com and personal cloud space. So you can head over there. After you head over there, you'll see Microsoft OneDrive. All you have to do is tap on create free account. There you can see create free account. Tap on that and it will prompt you to another page. So let the pages load and enter out your email address. After you do that, tap on next and you will receive a verification code in your email. So just type the code in here, let it verify, and now start adding some details. So you can start adding your birthdays, then you can tap on next, continue with your name, and finally make sure that all the information that you give is correct. Then you will need to press and hold the button here. That is basic captcha. You can get any type of captcha that they can give. And after you do that, after you go through with this process, after you go through all the process, you should be good to go. So now you might have to provide for email address or your mobile number as well for verification purposes. So I'll just stay signed in and skip this sign in faster option. And there we go. It's that simple to create a OneDrive account. Now you can start uploading stuff here, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.